Hello student, my name is Swapnali. In this video, I will teach you ANA rule by the Sidgwick for the stability of complex. This topic is from the coordination compound. And what is the ANA rule? ANA rule means effective atomic number. Why we study ANA rule? We study ANA rule for the stability of the coordination complex. If you are new to my YouTube channel, please do not forget to like, share, subscribe my YouTube channel. Now we can start the topic. Topic is ANA rule by Sidgwick for the stability of complex. Now we can see what is the EAN. EAN means E means effective, A means atomic, N means number. What is the formula of EAN? The formula of EAN is Z minus X plus Y. Z means atomic number, Y means number of electron donated by ligand, X means the number of electron lost by metal to form X ion, it is called Z. If the EAN of the complex is equal to inert gas element, then the complex is stable. If ENA of the complex is not equal to inert gas element, then the complex is unstable. What are the inert gas elements? The inert gas elements are helium, neon, argon, krypton, xenon, radon. The electrons are 2. Here is the 10, here 18, here is the 36, here is the 54, here is the 86. If the ANA of the complex is equal to 18, 36, 54, 86, then the complex is stable, because ANA of the complex is equal to inert gas element, therefore complex is stable. Now we can see some examples. First example is CrCO6. Here, what is the formula of EAN? The EAN formula is Z minus X plus Y. The Z means atomic number. The atomic number of chromium is 24 minus here X means number of electron lost by the metal. Here no electron loss, therefore 0, plus here is the Y. Y means number of electron donated by ligand. Here 6CO, and 6CO donates 2 electron, therefore 6 into 2 is 12, therefore 24 plus 12 is equal to here 6, here 36. 36 is the atomic number of krypton, therefore EAN of the complex, the EAN of the complex is equal to inert gas element, therefore the complex is stable. Now we can see next example. Next example is NiCO4. The EAN formula is Z minus X plus Y. Here the atomic number of the Ni is 28, electron loss by the metal. Here is no charge, therefore 0, and 1 CO donates 2 electron, therefore multiplied by 2, and here 4 into 2 is 8. 8 electron is lost, therefore 28 plus 8, here 28 plus 8, here is 36. 36 is the electronic configuration of krypton, means inert gas element. The EAN is equal to inert gas element, therefore this complex is stable. Now we can see next example, MnCO5. What is the ANA formula? ANA formula is Z minus x plus y. Z is the atomic number of manganese is 25. Electron loss by the metal here is 0, and here 5 into 2, 5 CO and 1 CO donates 2 electron. Therefore 5 into 2 is 10. Here 25 plus 10 is 35. Therefore here EAN is 35 is not matched with noble gas element electronic configuration. Therefore it is not stable complex, it is unstable complex. It is unstable complex. Now we can see next example, FeCO5. The EAN formula is Z minus X plus Y. Atomic number of Fe is 26. Electron loss is 0. Here 5 into 2 is 10. Here is the 36. Therefore it is the argon atomic number 36. Therefore EAN is equal to inert gas element. Therefore the complex is stable, and in this complex here the EAN is 35. It is not matched with any noble gas element, therefore the complex is unstable. Now we can see next example, CrCO6. Here EAN formula is Z minus X plus Y. Z is atomic number 24. X number of electron lost by complex is 0, and here Y is number of CO is 6, and 6 CO donates 2 electrons. Therefore 24 plus 6 into 2 is 12. Therefore here 4 plus 2 is 6. Here 36. 36 is the atomic number of krypton. Therefore EAN is equal to noble gas element. Therefore the complex is stable. Now we can see next example. Here's FeCN6 4 minus. Here first we have to calculate oxidation state. The charge on cyanide is -1. How many cyanide? 6. And the charge on complex is 4 minus. Here x minus 6 is equal to -4. This 6 comes right hand side, sign is change. Here plus 6 minus 4, x is equal to plus 2 is the oxidation state. Therefore the EAN is equal to Z minus X plus Y. Here Z atomic number is 26, number of electron lost is 2, plus Y is number of cyanides are 6. 6 cyanide donates 2 electron. Therefore 26 minus 2 is 24, plus 6 into 2 is 12. Total is 36 is the electronic configuration of krypton. Therefore EAN is equal to noble gas element. Therefore the complex is stable. Now we can see next example, CuNH36, sorry, here NH34 2 plus, CuNH34 2 plus. Here first we have to calculate oxidation state. NH3 is a molecule, it is a neutral ligand, therefore charge is 0, charge on complex is plus 2, therefore X value is 2, number of electron lost by metal is 2. Therefore EAN formula is Z minus X plus Y. The Z is atomic number of copper is 29, X is 2, and Y is how many NH3? 4 NH3 donates 2 electron. Therefore 29 minus 2 is 27, and 4 into 2 is 8. Here 27 plus 8 is 35. It is not matched with noble gas element. Therefore the complex is unstable. Now we can see next example. Next example is next example is FeCN6 3 minus. Here FeCN6 here Fe6 4 minus, here Fe6 3 minus. Here the AN formula is Z minus X plus Y. Here first we have to calculate oxidation state. Charge on cyanide is -1. How many cyanides here? 6, therefore -6. Charge on complex is -3. 6 comes right hand side, then +6 -3. X is equal to +3. The number of electron lost by the metal is 3. Atomic number of Fe is 26. Plus how many cyanide? 6 cyanide donates 2 electron. Here 26 minus 3 is 23, plus 6 into 2 is 12. Therefore how many electrons? 35. It not match with the noble gas element. Therefore the complex is unstable. Hope you like my video. If you are new to my YouTube channel, please do not forget to like, share, subscribe. If any question from this topic, please ask me. Thank you.